All right, YouTube, check me out. I'm trying to eat. That's Campbell's soup, yo. I don't have a can opener because for whatever reason I lost it. But what I'm doing, I'm opening this can without a can opener. Dang it. Okay, now as you can see, I got this in the sink for safety purposes, but I'm using this little knife to do it. And I'm not going to open up this whole can because you can pretty much see the concept. So I take this little pointy knife, I rub it a little bit with that butter knife. I just went around the edge like this a lot until I got a nice little impression right here. Then at that point, I punctured it with this. And now what I'm doing is I'm going around chopping the side. Now, unfortunately, I can't finish this can because I'm holding my camera with my left hand. So I need two hands to do this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this and then I'm going to edit the finished product into the video. Now, I'm pretty sure some more clever cameraman who do real YouTube videos can show the whole process. But I'm just showing you the concept, all right? And now I'm just going to saw this around. And if this works, you'll see it at the end of the video. All right, so stay tuned. Peace. So if you look right here, you can see I'm slowly making my way across. And by the way, I wouldn't recommend this at all. I would definitely recommend a can opener. But let's say you're in a life and death situation, the apocalypse hit, you ain't got no can openers, but there's cans of food everywhere. Get you a little knife, cut through the can. I'm just practicing for the apocalypse, all right? So what you should do is you should practice for the apocalypse too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, so I'm going to keep sawing this and I'm going to come back to this video out. All right, check me out. You can see I'm almost through. Here's the issue though. You see all those sharp edges? I highly believe that these will definitely cut your skin, cut your fingers. So I definitely suggest that you be careful if you ever try this. But at the same time, you should try it. Because like I said, if worse comes to worse, you're going to have to get those cans open. All right, next time I play this video, you're going to see my beautiful, golden, tender chicken noodle soup. All right, hold on for the soup, baby. Yeah, boy. See that? Y'all ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. Look at that soup in there. You are so ate. We only going to put a half a cup of water in there because I want to get all that juicy juice from that soup. I got this extra large can too. I mean, y'all know it's like wintertime. It's like about 20 degrees outside. Me and this soup about to get busy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, dog. 25% bigger, dog. All right, anyway. Let me stop making jokey jokes. But if you starving, here's how you can eat. MYT MIC. Peace. How to survive the apocalypse. Get you some cans. Get you a little small knife. Maybe even a pocket knife would do. That'll probably be even better. But as for me, check this out. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, there we go. You want to eat that, don't you? Don't need no McDonald's. Don't need no Burger King. All I need is a can of this Campbell's soup and I'm good. All right, y'all. I got to get the rest of my noodles out of here. MYT MIC is up. Peace out. Me and you about to get busy. Yo. What's up? Don't lie. You know you want these noodles. Don't hate. You about to go get you some noodles right now, ain't you? Oh, I know. I know. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Ain't no microwaves in the apocalypse, though, so you better make sure you got a little burner or something, or a little pot and some rocks, some heated rocks, whatever they call it in Lord of the Rings. Peace.